This is the easy problem. I've already screwed it up. Okay. So, two cars pass each other at an intersection that has a right angle. One car travels north. This is car Y. It's kind of a car. It travels at a speed of 120 miles per hour. Car X travels east at a speed of 60 miles per hour. What is the rate of change of the distance between the two cars? The distance between the two cars is going to be this distance drawn by this lovely green line, C. Because it's a right triangle, we know that x squared plus y squared equals c squared. But those are just the distances, right? So, deriving both sides with respect to time, you get 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 2c dc dt. And everything's multiplied by 2, so you can just take those out. Right? Ignore this. This is where I screwed up last time. So we know dx dt and we know dy dt. We're looking for dc dt. What are x, y, and c? That's all we need. Well, is that time equals 2 hours when we're trying to find the rate of change of dc of c, so dc dt. And at time equals 2 hours, well, car X is going at 60 miles per hour, so it's going to be at 120 miles. That makes sense. 60 times 2, 120. So putting this in, we're using pink now. 120 miles times dx dt, which is 60. Plus y 120 times 2, 2 hours, which is not 120, it's 240, times dy dt, which is 120, as we know. Equals c dc dt. Well, what is c? Well, we know x squared plus y squared equals c squared, and we know x is equal to 120. We know y is equal to 240. So c is going to be equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of those two. A mouthful, I know. Okay, so x is 120. 120 squared plus, and y is 240. 240 squared, 72,000. It's the square root of this number, which is 268.33. I'm rounding a bit. 268.33. It's actually in miles, but we don't need that this moment. 268.33 times dc dt, which is what we're looking for. So now divide both sides by 268.33, and we just have numbers now, so 120 times 60 plus 240 times 120, and we divide this by 268 point, no, not 0.33, 134.16. miles per hour. So mph is the rate at which c is changing.